carrier AC error code E8 signals an indoor unit overload protection issue. This means the system has detected excessive electrical current, often in the indoor blower motor or compressor. It triggers a safety shutdown to prevent damage. Think of it like a circuit breaker tripping in your home. It's a protective measure. This video will guide you through understanding, troubleshooting, and potentially fixing this common error. Several factors can trigger the E8 error code in carrier AC systems. The most common include blocked air filters restricting airflow, dirty evaporator coils leading to refrigerant pressure issues, low refrigerant levels, a failing capacitor, or electrical problems like voltage spikes. Each of these overworks the system, causing it to draw too much current. We will cover the basics of fixing each of these issues in this video. Before calling a technician, try these initial troubleshooting steps to resolve carrier AC error code E8. First, power cycle your unit by turning it off and unplugging it for 30 seconds. This resets the system and may clear the error. Next, check your air filters and replace them if they're dirty. Clogged filters can cause airflow restrictions leading to overload. Inspect the evaporator coils for dirt and debris. If they're dirty, cleaning them may require professional help to avoid damage. Ensure all air vents are clear and unobstructed. Blocked vents can restrict airflow and trigger overload protection. Finally, confirm that the voltage supply to the unit is stable and within the specified range to prevent electrical overload. Following these initial troubleshooting steps can save you time and money by resolving the issue without a service call. If the basic troubleshooting steps don't resolve the E8 error code, more advanced diagnostics are needed that require professional tools and expertise. First, use a multimeter to test the blower motor windings. The resistance should typically be between 5 and 10 ohms. Incorrect readings indicate a faulty motor component that needs replacement. Next, test the capacitor to ensure its microfarad rating matches the manufacturer's specifications. Use conversion tables to decode capacitor markings and verify voltage and tolerance. Faulty capacitors will show incorrect readings and require replacement. These advanced diagnostics can identify faulty components that need replacement. However, if you're not comfortable performing these tests yourself, it's important to contact a professional technician to avoid causing further damage or voiding warranties. Let's examine real-world examples of carrier AC error code E8. In Florida, a homeowner with a carrier infinity system experienced recurring E8 errors due to clogged filters and dirty coils. Using the carrier app's diagnostic guide, they cleaned the evaporator coils and replaced the air filters, resolving the issue quickly and extending the unit's lifespan. In a commercial setting, a New York office building with multiple carrier units encountered E8 errors during peak summer loads. The root cause was uneven refrigerant distribution across the system. Technicians balanced the refrigerant levels and upgraded to variable speed blowers, reducing energy costs and preventing future overloads. However, not all cases are resolved so simply. In one documented incident, ignoring initial E8 warnings led to a complete compressor burnout, resulting in repair costs exceeding $1,200. This case underscores the critical importance of addressing error codes promptly to avoid escalating damage and warranty voidance. These real-world examples demonstrate that while E8 errors can often be fixed with simple maintenance, ignoring them can lead to significant repair costs. Regular upkeep and quick response are key to maintaining your carrier AC system's reliability and efficiency. HVAC experts emphasize that error code E8 is often preventable through simple maintenance practices. By following expert tips, you can avoid many common causes of indoor unit overload. One of the most effective prevention methods is regularly changing your air filters. Experts recommend doing this every 1 to 3 months, depending on usage and air quality. Clogged filters restrict airflow, causing the system to work harder and potentially trigger overload protection. Electrical issues are a major cause of E8 errors. Installing surge protectors can safeguard your AC unit against voltage fluctuations and power surges. This simple device helps maintain stable electrical current, reducing the risk of overload on the indoor components. Dirty evaporator coils can significantly impact your AC's efficiency. Regular cleaning ensures proper heat exchange and prevents the system from overworking. Clean coils help maintain optimal refrigerant pressure, directly reducing the chances of triggering the E8 overload protection. Finally, professional preventative maintenance is crucial. Regular inspections and tune-ups can identify potential issues before they cause E8 errors. This not only prevents overload problems, but also extends the lifespan of your Carrier AC unit, saving you money in the long term. By implementing these expert tips and maintaining your system regularly, you can significantly reduce the occurrence of E8 errors and keep your Carrier AC running efficiently for years to come. The HVAC industry is evolving with IoT and AI. Carrier's newer models predict E8 triggers up to 72 hours in advance, reducing downtime. Eco-friendly refrigerants and high-efficiency filters also minimize overload risks. The future may even bring autonomous systems that self-correct E8 errors via software updates, potentially eliminating manual fixes altogether. If you followed the basic troubleshooting steps and the E8 error code still persists, it's time to call a qualified HVC technician. Persistent E8 codes can indicate deeper, more serious issues that require professional expertise. These deeper issues may include compressor failure, where the heart of your air conditioning system stops working properly, or internal electrical problems that could lead to dangerous malfunctions. Attempting to fix these complex problems yourself can be risky. It might void your warranty, meaning you lose manufacturer protection, and could cause even more damage to your HVAC system. Professional technicians have the tools, training, and experience to properly diagnose and repair these issues safely. They can ensure your system is fixed correctly and safely. Always prioritize safety first. Working with electrical components and refrigerants requires specialized knowledge and equipment. Let professionals handle these repairs to keep you and your home safe.